You know, whenever I can, I love to use natural things that I already have at home to make something else. And one thing I absolutely love is the smell of lemons. So I want to show you a few things you can make with lemons and use lemons for that they smell great, let's face it, and they'll save you a ton of money. And when you're looking for lemons, if you don't have a tree in your backyard, which a lot of us don't, then you want to look at a warehouse store or someplace like that to buy your lemons cheaply. So the first thing I want to show you is a lemon window cleaner, and it is awesome. All you're going to do is take 1/2 cup of rubbing alcohol. To that, you're going to add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Now, it can be in a bottle or it can be fresh lemon if you're lucky enough to have it. You're going to put it in a bottle, fill the bottle with water, give it a good shake. Then you're going to spray it on. Now, you can use paper towels to wipe it off. You can use a microfiber cloth to wipe it off. Or one of my favorite things, especially for mirrors, is just a coffee filter. There's no lint and it does a great job. Now, if you have stains on your cutting boards, and this can be wood boards or it can be plastic boards, it doesn't matter. You can take those off with lemon. And again, lemon juice or a real lemon. You're gonna just take it, I'm gonna squeeze a little on. Boy, that's a juicy lemon. And I'm gonna rub that in and I'm going to let that soak on there. And you can just walk away and leave it. The longer it soaks, the better it will work on the stain because lemons are nature's bleach and disinfectant. When you're done, simply take it over to the sink, rinse it off, and you're ready to go again. And this will also work on your butcher blocks that you chop on. It does a great job. If you have odor in plastic storage bowls, or you have stains like spaghetti or tacos or whatever, you can get that out by simply filling the plastic dish with water. Then you're going to add an appropriate amount of lemon to the size of the container. I would put this size, I'd put about a tablespoon in. If I had a big one, I might even put a 1/4 cup in. Let that soak. I like to do it overnight. It does the work. I don't have to. When you're done, wash it out in the morning and you're clean. And if you have white clothes that are kind of grayed or yellowed, maybe the kids' socks are looking kind of funky, anything white that is not looking up to par, you can soak it in lemon juice. You're going to take a gallon of water, put it in a bucket. You're going to add 1/2 cup of lemon juice to that. Let it soak, and I like to do it overnight, so it does the work and I don't have to. Then I'm going to dump it in the washer the next day, wash as I normally would, and that's it. So when you're looking for ways to clean and remove stains, remember, look no further than lemons. They do a great job. For more information, go to queenofclean.com. Thanks for talking dirty with the Queen of Clean.